Hello students, so this is a question from JAM 2025 and you can see this is from vector calculus and here a vector A dot ds is given. That means we have to use Gauss theorem. Okay, so a surface integral is given and we have to calculate its value. So what I am going to do is I will convert this into volume integral. Okay, so this will become 1 by 9 volume integral divergence of the vector is r, and d tau. Okay, so divergence of r into d tau. So this will become 1 by 9 and divergence of r vector will be, its value will be 3, and integral d tau will give you the volume which is already given V. So this volume is V. So this will become V by 3. So correct option is C. So I have already told in class that either Stokes theorem or Gauss divergence theorem are very important topics for JAM. So for the students who will be appearing in 2026, note it down. You have to practice questions on Gauss divergence theorem and Stokes theorem. Thank you.